In next two lectures, you'll see me elaborating on commands such as Terraform, Init, Plan, Apply, and Destroy. I have been exposing you guys to those commands in prior lectures, so let's dig more into it. In this video, we'll explore Init command, which initializes your Terraform configuration, and the Plan command, which generates the execution plan for your infrastructure changes. We'll create a new provider file. Before you start working on your Terraform, you need to initialize your Terraform configuration. The Terraform init commands sets up your working dictionary, downloads provider plugins, and prepares your Terraform for managing your infrastructure. We'll type Terraform init. Once your Terraform configuration is initialized, you can generate an execution plan using Terraform plan command. This plan provides a detailed preview of the changes Terraform will apply to your infrastructure. For that, we'll create a new file called main.tf and we'll understand it using a simple S3 bucket. Now in our terminal, this Terraform plan. The execution plan produced by Terraform plan is a crucial step in the Terraform workflow. It analyzes your configuration, compares it to the current state of your infrastructure, and determines the necessary actions to achieve the desired state. The execution plan displays information such as resource additions, modifications, or deletions. It also includes details on any dependency changes between resources. You can carefully examine the plan and verify that it aligns with your expectations. Once you are satisfied with the execution plan and you are ready to apply the changes, you can use the Terraform apply command. Happy provisioning.